Good morning, good afternoon. It's actually a good evening over here in Eureka, California. I went to check out that sauna, like book your hour and then show up and then have like your own little area that you can go use a sauna and like change room and like all that kind of stuff. And I mean, honestly, it was incredible. The facility is really good. The sauna was like clutch, like probably the hottest sauna I've ever been in. Normally the steam rooms where I normally go are hotter than the saunas, but this was hot. Paid for an hour, that was 28 USD, and then for 75 cents I can also get some eucalyptus oil. So obviously I got the eucalyptus oil. I tried to film a little bit, but it got steamy and it got hot, and like that was, I feel, incredible. If you're ever in Eureka or Arcata, A-R-C-A-T-A, Arcata, California, go check out my Finnish friend. It's also a cash-only business, which I found quite interesting because, I mean, kind of seemed like a place where you could wash some money really well. It was very busy, very, very busy. Anyways, I'm on the highway again. I don't know exactly where I'm headed tonight. I'm kind of just looking at making a little bit of progress because I killed 2 hours. Yeah, so I got here at 1:30, but they only had an availability or an opening at 3 o'clock, and so I had to wait from like 1 to 3, which isn't a problem. I don't mind. It's just I didn't get as far ahead today as I wanted to, and so I'm gonna try and make up maybe an hour here, about an hour. There's also a Walmart right here, which I could just pull over and just fucking call it. Oh, tough decisions. Very tough decisions. We can do better than a Walmart, I think. Yeah, we can do better than a Walmart. I've been blessed with some epic spots along the coast. Surely we can find another. But that's what's going on. I went down into the Redwoods earlier today. The road that I wanted to take was closed, and so we kind of walked up it a little bit. I wanted to get some like drone footage of the van through the Redwood forest. That'd be pretty cool, but I didn't get to do that. Gas was cheap in Oregon. I think it was about $3.50 a gallon, which is about like $1 a liter. Over here in California, it's $5.39 a gallon, and I haven't done the math on what that translates to per liter, but it's not as cheap as Oregon or as Washington. I think in Washington it was like, there was places where I was paying like $2.50, $2.80, which is pretty sweet because that's like 90 cents a liter. Fuck. So yeah, it's a beautiful sunset. I'm gonna go enjoy my drive, and if I find somewhere dope to pull in tonight, I will show you what that looks like. If not, catch you when I catch you. Crazy. Man, people are freaking out about going down there. Damn. This is another one of those achievements. I didn't think I was gonna ever get here. Holy fuck. Pretty crazy, man, pretty crazy. Long ass journey. Long ass journey. Good evening. Hello. So I just left the Golden Gate Bridge. I'm about to jump on the highway down the rest of the California coast. I was gonna go to Yosemite, but turns out 2 of the roads are closed, so you can't even enter. We're gonna bypass it. We're gonna continue on down the coast to just above northern Los Angeles, and then we're gonna take a left and then go around, I guess, that bottom part of maybe like the Sierra Mountains, I think. But in any case, we're gonna go to Death Valley National Park. That's my new destination. That is about an 8-hour drive from here. That's my plan, is to at least a big chunk of that. Like if I could do a good 6 hours tomorrow, that's a good day. We're gonna get ourselves situated for the night, and I gotta get a bit of work done, and then yeah, we're gonna get some shut-eye. The real reason why I wanted to get on here right now is because, truthfully, there's a big landmark that we're about to cross in about 7 kilometers. I tried to time it with crossing the Golden Gate Bridge. That would have been a very cool, epic milestone, but I didn't get to do that. So instead, we're doing it this way. I'm about to cross 100,000 kilometers. So 9999999 is coming up pretty soon here in about 7 kilometers. So I'm hoping that gets me to where my sleeping spot is tonight, and I feel like that's a very, very good. That's just a good thing. I've put 65,000 kilometers on the van. When I achieve this, when I get to this milestone, I suppose, which is pretty cool. Pretty proud of myself, not gonna lie. Yeah, check this out. My name's Claude. I live in my van. I'm making a fire at this beautiful view. Let me know if you have any van life questions.